If they cheated once, why are you still there? Might be one of the hardest conversations I've ever had. Someone cheats on you, why are you still there? And before you get angry, hear me out. I'm not asking why you loved them. I get that. I'm not asking why it hurt. I understand that too. I'm asking why you stayed. I stayed when I discovered my wife had been unfaithful. My entire world fell apart. Couldn't believe it. Kept asking myself, what did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? What I could have done different? How I could fix something that I didn't break. Instead of making the hardest decision, I stayed. Not for a week, not for months, 8 years. And I told myself I was fighting for my marriage. I was keeping my family together. Told myself I wasn't giving up. Looking back, I wasn't staying because I trusted that, not because I made it healthy again. I was just scared. Scared of being alone, of divorce, starting over. Terrified that I had already invested 23 years of my life to walk away, and fear has a way disguising yourself as loyalty. Whispers in your ear, what if they change? What if you regret leaving? What if nobody else loves me ever? And they kept me trapped. Listen carefully. Cheating does not automatically that every relationship must end. It doesn't. Some couples rebuild. Some people take complete responsibility and they become transparent. Go to counseling and they answer the hard questions. And they earn that trust back over time through consistent actions. It does happen. Not what happens in every relationship. The question isn't whether they cheated. The question is, what did they do after they cheated? Did they become accountable or defensive? Transparent or more secretive? Did they rebuild trust or expect you to just get over it? Here's another question. Every morning when you wake up, you feel safer with them or more anxious? You spend your days checking phones, wondering where the hell are they? Questioning every late night and unanswered text. That's not living, that's surviving. I finally realized something that changed my life. I wasn't afraid of losing my marriage. I was afraid admitting that it was already gone. Huge difference. Leaving was painful. Starting over was terrifying. But staying in a relationship where trust had disappeared, it was destroying me. I lost years, 8, and I'll never get them back. So if you're watching this, don't ask yourself only if they cheated. Ask yourself this: is the relationship today worthy of all the time you have left? Only you can answer that. Comment I'm in so I can see you in the comments, see you walking along with me. My name is Eric. I'm an accountability coach and I help people start over. If you want to know what that is, hit me with an inbox. Appreciate y'all watching and I'll see you on the next one.